Hi, welcome to the Crypto Lifer. Hope you're having a great day, great morning, afternoon, or night, no matter where you are in the world. I know this is an international group of people. So, welcome to the Crypto Lifer Show. I'm going to get into the power of the Satoshi. Remember, they used to tell you the power of the dollar. But I remember when I realized it wasn't the power of the dollar, it was the power of the Satoshi. So, let's get into why once you start trading Bitcoin, you realize that you want Satoshis more than anything, and you realize the power of the Satoshi. Now, as a young kid, I was always being taught the power of the dollar. Save your money, right? A dollar saved, a penny saved is a penny not spent, right? And it's not about how much you make, how much you save. All these different little, ideas were passed along to me as I was growing up in the economy of America. But then in 2008, everything changed. We had our economic collapse, which we're still probably reeling from at this time, kind of band-aiding over until we have somewhat of a really reset or a crash. Looks like they're going to reset us before they let us crash. So you eventually started to realize, what is a Satoshi? And when you first learned what a Satoshi was, for me, it was in early 2017, probably about February or March. I met a guy in the street and he told me to look at CoinMarketCap. He showed me the website through his phone. He said, but be careful. You'll be at dinner. You won't be able to actually be present anymore. You'll be looking at these coins all the time. And he's like, you buy a token, and then if the token goes up, you sell the token. And he's like, it's like a stock. And I had no idea what he was talking about. He showed me this in 2015. For about a year, I stayed on CoinMarketCap looking at different stuff. I would Facebook him and ask him questions. And then finally, I started trading in 2017 in crypto. I had already been trading stocks, mainly gold, commodities, gold and silver. By that time, I had an understanding of technical analysis, but I had no idea what a Satoshi was. As you begin to grow with Bitcoin, you realize that Bitcoin's only going to keep beating the US dollar. At one point, the US dollar was 1-to-1 with Bitcoin. I sat my mother down the other day and I said, Mom, you need to put more of your net worth in Bitcoin. She was looking at me and I said, Mom, look, 10 years ago, Mother, in 2009, 11, almost 12, I guess you'd say, Bitcoin was worth 1-to-1. It was worth $1, and a dollar was worth $1. They were worth the same. At one point, Bitcoin was actually worth less than $1, right? It was probably worth a penny. So Bitcoin began to grow out of a crazy idea. It shouldn't even be here. We shouldn't even be talking about it. I shouldn't be here right now discussing it. Government should have ended it. The Federal Reserve should have been able to snuff it out. But honestly, I think the technology was bigger than they realized. Something was even Steven. And now 10 years later, it's 10,000-to-1. Actually, it's 17,000-to-1, approaching 18,000-to-1 at Bitcoin right behind me, pumping live, $17,823. So we know that Bitcoin in 10 years has grown 17,000-to-1. Actually, more than that, but let's just 1-to-1. And go from there, 17,000-to-1. So I really think you need to erase the power of the dollar because it has no power. The power is in the Satoshi, my friends. And that's what the basis of this video is. And that's why I think during a bull run, you want to start looking and trading in BTC pairs. You want to basically get rid of the USDT pairs that you were going during the choppy markets and get into more BTC pairs. Your goal at the end of this bull market is to accumulate as much Bitcoin as possible and then use that, I think, to buy property. You're going to want to use the Bitcoin to buy property, cash flow. And then you could even charge Bitcoin for the rent, basically accumulating more Bitcoin with the Bitcoin through purchases of real estate. That's my plan, is to funnel the money into real estate. I'm hoping as Bitcoin goes up, we'll also have a real estate bubble that will burst, creating a perfect time to sell portions of the Bitcoin and swoop it right in to real estate. And that's the plan. So remember, guys, as this bull run goes, it's the power of a Satoshi. It is not the power of the dollar. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you love this shirt that I'm wearing, this is a Crypto Lifer shirt that I have created on my channel. It's awesome merch. Crypto Lifer, got Crypto Lifer on the sleeve. It's kind of like a superhero. It's nice vinyl. So we have merchandise down in the description. Also, what helps the channel is if you hit the Brave browser link down there, I get a commission through that. And if you want to trade on 3 commas, which I do, or you also have referral links for that, and Bybit, Coinbase, and Binance, things of that nature. So if you want to get into an exchange, please use my referral links, and it helps out the channel greatly. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications so you can find out when I post my next video. And remember, if you came to my channel, then you're already doing the right thing. Crypto is life.